Are you still using words like good, bad, happy, sad? If yes, so it means that you need to upgrade your vocabulary game. Today in this video, I am going to provide you 15 simple words along with your advanced alternatives that you can easily use in your conversations to help you sound more confident and fluent in English language. Plus, I will provide you some example sentences as well to help you understand them more clearly. It's me, Sumal Rizvi, an English language fluency expert. And on the daily basis, I am coming to teach you English language in different ways with different topics to help you sound more confident in your daily routine conversations. So if you like my videos or if you like the way I teach you English language or if you like my content, so do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn English language on daily basis. Now here is the word good. You can say that this restaurant serves good food. But why not replace good with exceptional? Like for example, you can say that this restaurant serves exceptional food. Bad. Like for example, you can say that the weather was really bad yesterday. But why not replace bad with dreadful? Like for example, you can say that the weather was dreadful yesterday. Happy. She was really happy to see her friend. But why not replace happy with overjoyed? For example, you can say that she was overjoyed to see her friend. Okay, now don't be in such a hurry because I am recording myself. That's why I'm speaking really fast. But you need to pause this video, and at the same time, I'm making my example sentences with advanced vocabulary. You also need to make your sentences and note them down. Or you can also write your sentences in the comment section and I'll definitely gonna check them. Sad. He felt sad after hearing that news. But why not replace sad with heartbroken? For example, you can say that he felt heartbroken after hearing that news. Big. He lives in a very big house. But why not replace big with enormous? For example, you can say that he lives in an enormous house. By the way, what is that one thing that is enormous around you? Small. She has a small kitten. But that's not cool. You can say tiny. She has a tiny kitten, and that's a big yes. Smart. He is a smart student. That's really common. You can say brilliant. For example, he is a brilliant student. Angry. She was angry with her brother. Once again, she was furious with her brother. Furious. Fast. The car is really fast. Once again, you can say that the car is incredibly rapid. It means that you can replace fast with rapid. Slow. Something which is extremely slow. For example, the internet is very slow today. But why not replace slow with sluggish? For example, you can say that the internet is quite sluggish today. Easy. For example, the task was easy to complete. Once again, you can say that the task was effortless to complete. It means that it was very easy. Difficult. For example, the test was really difficult for me. But why not replace difficult with challenging? For example, the test was really challenging for me. And that's once again a big yes. Interesting. This book is really interesting. Why not replace interesting with fascinating? Like for example, this book is incredibly fascinating. Tired. I felt tired after work. You can say that I felt exhausted after work. Nice. It was a nice evening. मजा नहीं आया. You can say that it was a pleasant evening. Now throughout this video, I provided you extremely simple words along with their advanced versions, and I gave you extremely simple and easy or effortless sentences. But now after this, we need to do something. Like, first I will gonna provide you a paragraph that would be a script, and we will read that script together with normal words. And afterwards, we will gonna read the script with some advanced vocabularies that I provided you just before, so that you would also see it's just like a comparison that you can also analyze by yourself, that how you can actually expand your vocabulary and how impactful is your conversation when you use high or advanced vocabulary in English language. Now it's time to read with me. The first one is the normal English version. Let's get into it. It was a good day for the trip to the zoo. The weather was bad few days ago, but it was nice that day, and everyone was in a happy mood. We saw a big lion that was resting under a tree, and its mane looked so fluffy, and he seemed angry. The tiger, on the other hand, was hiding behind the bushes and playing hide and seek. He was so smart, and it was so fun to watch him. We also saw one small rabbit hopping around, which made us smile. There were flamingos standing in the pool, and they looked really pretty. We then walked to the deer area, and they were so calm, just eating the grass but running really fast. Later, we took a break and sat on the bench by the lake. Internet was slow there, otherwise we would have posted our pictures on IG. It was difficult to walk cause we were really tired, but we found out an easy way to relax, and that is listening to the birds and enjoying the peaceful scene. It was indeed an amazing experience. After a while, we walked around the park again. We were tired by the end of the day but felt happy, and it was an interesting experience. Now let's read another paragraph in advanced English vocabulary. It was an exceptional day for a trip to the zoo. The weather was dreadful few days ago, but it was pleasant that day, and everyone was in an overjoyed mood. We saw an enormous lion that was resting under a tree, and its mane looked so fluffy, and he seemed furious. The tiger, on the other hand, was hiding behind the bushes and playing hide and seek. He was so brilliant. It was so fun to watch him. We also saw some tiny rabbits hopping around, which made us smile. There were flamingos standing in the pool, and they looked really pretty. We then walked to the deer area, and they were so calm, just eating the grass but running really rapid. Later, we took a break and sat on a bench by the lake. Internet was sluggish there, otherwise we would have posted our pictures on IG. It was challenging to walk because we were really exhausted, but we found out an effortless way to relax, and that is listening to the birds and enjoying the peaceful scene. It was an indeed amazing experience. After a while, we walked again around the park. We were exhausted by the end of the day but felt overjoyed, and it was a fascinating experience. Now, did you notice that changing normal or replacing normal English words with advanced English vocabulary can actually completely change the way you speak to someone, and it is so impactful, and you would sound more confident and fluent in English language, as if like you are a pro in speaking English language. But your real job starts from here, because whatever the words I have provided you, now you need to make your own sentences out of those words, and you need to use those words whenever you would be talking with someone. Using these words can actually help you to sound more confident while speaking in English language. I hope that you found this video engaging, helpful, and informative. If you like this video, so do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay hooked for more.